Okay, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. Yeah, I like to call it a heist because in the end they paid me. So let me see. This is $77.81 worth of goods. When it's all said and done, after rebates and coupons, I had an overage, a moneymaker of $11.63. And yes, of course, as always with my coupon hauls and heists, that total does include tax. It's only accurate, so come on, people, include the tax. Let's be accurate on our hauls. Anyways, this is for the week of August 12th to August 18th. So today is August 12th, Thursday. I'm going to be trying to do this the first day of the sale, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away and then do them right off before the coupons expire or the deals go away. So yeah, I was off a couple weeks now, so glad to be back in, and I'm going to try every week to get a video up to you guys. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals, away for the summer. There's no Publix where I was. Now school's back in session. I have some more time to do this, and yes, doing this stuff is time consuming, of course, as all you know, but can be worth it, and for me, fun. So let's get right into it. So first deal we got Carbona carpet cleaners. These are BOGO this week. Regular price is $5.39. They're BOGO, so that means you get 2 for $5.39. So I bought 4, and with tax that came to $11.70. So there's hang tags on some of these. Basically, I went to 4 different stores, and I found 2 at one store and 1 at another store, and I'm still waiting to find another one. And if I do, I know and I'm confident that I can just take my receipt in and say, hey, at the time I didn't have this coupon, and they will put it on a Publix gift card for you, $1 or whatever the amount of the coupon is. So you don't know what a hang tag is. That's what a hang tag is. That was another hang tag for another item, but so the hang tag was hanging around there. So so I got 4 of the hang tags I used, so that's $4 off. As I said, the total was $11.70, so $4 off. And then I had about a rebate was $2 off each one. So 2 times 4 is 8. So on $11.70, I got $12 in coupons and rebates, making these 4 items a 30-cent moneymaker. Next item were these Rise coffee drinks. They're on sale. They're regular $2.99. They're on sale for $2 each. So I bought 2 of them. Cost me $4. There was no tax on them. There was hang tag on them. If you're lucky, find the hang tag. So that was $1 off each one. Then there's also an ibotta rebate for 50 cents off of each one, or $1 off of 2. So that was another $1 off. And there's Aisle has a rebate for 50 cents off each one. So I paid $4. I had $1 off and $1 off from the manufacturer hang tags. Brought it down to $2. Then I had $1 off from Ibotta and $1 off from Aisle, making them completely free. Next thing was this Band-Aid. These are the gauze small size, smallest one. There's a 10 count, 2 inches by 2 inches, small size. They're $1.79 regular price. So I bought 2 of them, and that cost me $3.58. There was a store coupon. It expires on Friday. It's $3 off of 2. So that's $3 off right there. And there's also a manufacturer coupon from the July 18th save for $1 off. So that is $3.58 for the products, and $3 off and $1 off, $4 off in coupons. So that gave me an overage of 42 cents right there for those. Next thing we got, let's go to this guy, Advil Infant formula for ages 6 to 23 months. This is $5.39. It's with the baby needs, baby diapers around that area, and there's a Publix digital coupon. So basically, you go to Publix.com and you register, enter your phone number in, and it's $2 off. And there's also a store coupon for $2 off as well. So you're looking at $4 off in coupons, and it's $5.39. So that cost me $1.39 right there. Another Publix digital coupon was this Neon Zebra. These are like mixers. This is Mojito Mix, and this is $7.99 with tax came to $8.67, and they're giving you $7.99 back on that. They don't give you the tax, but so this thing cost me 68 cents for that mojito mixer. That'll go in the Airbnb. I think they'll like that. So what else we got? Chapstick. That's another one. $1.99 is the regular price. With tax comes to $2.16. As you see the store coupon there for $1 off. Another Publix digital coupon for $1 off of that. So that makes that chapstick 17 cents for that. Okios yogurt here was $1.25, and of course another Publix digital coupon for an absolutely free one. So that made $1.25 off, made that 0. Silk, and this had to be a Silk Greek yogurt. It is Greek style, and they're $1.99 is the regular price, and another Publix digital coupon for free, absolutely free. So that cost me 0. And there's also $1 off of 2 Blinky. This is like one of those dispensers in front of the product, and so if you want to buy 2 of them, I only bought 1. But if you wanted to buy 2 of them, you'd have a great deal there, getting $1 off. You get 2 of them for 50 cents. I'd rather just get 1 of them for free. All right, what was next on my list? The Keto munk pack bar. These aren't at every Publix, but it was at the one that I was at. It's $2.49. There's an ibotta rebate for a free one, so you get $2.49 back on that, making that 0 free. What else we got? Think Thin bars. All right, these were a good one. Think Thin bars are on sale for $1.25. I think they're regularly like $1.59. They're $1.25 each. And there is $1 back ibotta. They get 25 cents, and then you find a Blinky for $1 off of 2. So buying 6 of them, which I bought 6, I thought that was the right way to do it. 6 of them cost me $7.50. Ibotta gave me $1 back for 5 of them, limit of 5. So I got $5 back from Ibotta, and I got $3. I used 3 of these for the 6 that I bought, and I got $3 off in coupons. So you're looking at 50 cents moneymaker for those. And last but not least, for these Good Culture cottage cheese, it's very good. You can see I already ate one. They are $1.67. So you're allowed. I bought 8 of them. Cost me $13.36, and aisle has $2 back on each one. So you're getting $16 back from aisle, and you're spending $13.36 for these cottage cheese. So in total, that was an overage of $2.64. So if you added it up, I still didn't have $11.63 moneymaker, but of course a gas card. I do have an electric car, but I have a couple cars, so at some point I'll probably use this. I've got like 7 or 8 of them now. But these are when you spend $50 in groceries and goods, which I did before coupons, as you see. I got this $50 Wawa card for $40, $10 off my. Either way you look at it, $10 off of all this stuff or $10 off the gas card. So basically, I got this $50 Wawa gas card for $38.37. So, and of course I got all this. So once again, please subscribe to my channel, and as I said, I'm going to try to do this every week. I post other videos as well. Try to do this every week to help other couponers out. And yeah, enjoy your couponing.